Hello, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing well. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation of what you're going to be working on this week. You are going to be, first and foremost, completing your spelling test. The words are going to be called out to you, or it should actually have already been done, called out to you, and you should have written it on this worksheet right here. Afterwards, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to notice this worksheet here. Considering it's Thanksgiving on this weekend coming up, right, because we have a long weekend. Normally we would be celebrating with all of our families, and this happens to be a very different Thanksgiving, but nonetheless we should always remain thankful, so I would love for you guys to complete some activities. So, first and foremost, I would like for you to describe to me what you would have normally done on Thanksgiving. Who do you spend it with? What things do you eat? What do you do before dinner, after dinner? What traditions you may have? You can color the worksheet afterwards if you want to as well. Following that, here's a Thanksgiving grocery list. So simply put the words in alphabetical order here. You again can color this worksheet if you want to. Then you scroll to this worksheet here. This worksheet is about punctuation. So at the end of each sentence, you're going to notice a little line. You're going to have to tell me, is it a period? Is it a question? Is it an exclamation mark? So you need to fill out these two worksheets here about punctuation. Again, it's about Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving sentences and topic about Thanksgiving, but you just have to work on the punctuation for those sentences there. Once you have completed that, you can move on to this activity, which is an acrostic poem. And it is a poem about what you are thankful for. So if you've noticed, there's the word thankful here. And every single line has a letter. So that means that the first word on this line has to begin with the letter that you see. So for example, this letter is T. So you would have to write a word about being thankful with the letter T. The letter H, the letter A, N, K, F, U-L. You can have one word on each line. You can have many words. You can create a sentence. It doesn't matter. As long as you talk about something or many things that you are thankful for. Okay? So again, it has to be a poem about thankfulness. Each line has a letter, and you have to begin that line or the word with whatever letter that you see at the beginning of the line. Okay? Following that, we're done with the Thanksgiving activities. We're moving on to the Helping Others worksheet. This worksheet here has a picture. There's actually 6 in the whole package. You're going to see a picture, and then underneath the picture, you're going to see an explanation of the picture. So, for example, here's the picture. The explanation is Serena knocked the books out of Riley's hand. Following that, you have 3 sentences, and you need to complete it. So you have to talk about how maybe Riley would feel about having Serena knock the books out of the hand. What could you say if you were in this position to make them feel better? What could you do? Anyways, each picture has a different sentence, and you're just going to have to complete the sentence. Make sure that you put a punctuation at the end of each sentence. Once you have finished that, if you haven't finished iExcel section B.1 and B.2, it is the time to do it. And if you haven't already worked on this word work worksheet from last week, which was the rainbow worksheets, the forward and backward worksheets, and the cursive writing, then you can complete that as well. Okay? So you guys enjoy the activities. I'm sorry that I can't be there this week, but I'm sure you guys are going to have a fantastic time and you're going to do a wonderful job. So enjoy, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.